Today we're going to be checking out the wired and wireless BNT camera. Hey guys, this is JoeteckTips from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Today we're going to be checking out the wired and wireless BNT camera. So this is the camera here. I don't recommend it, but let's do the unboxing anyway. So it's very simple to set up. You scan the barcode here or on the bottom of the camera. However, it needs too many security things that kind of blow my mind away that I can't recommend it because of that. So I did record some video using the camera and we're going to see that as well. But this is the camera here. Okay, it spins left and right. This goes up and down in here like so. Okay, motorized of course, and you can also do a digital zoom. It does offer SD card and a micro SD card, a reset button in the back for setting it up, micro SD connector for power, and an Ethernet if you want to do Ethernet, and it does have a browser capability of doing some minor changes to it. Inside the other box here is all the necessary other doodads. Power supply for the camera, really long micro SD cable, 7 feet long, and then the mounting bracket for the camera, and this screws to the bottom of it like so, and this will work on a tripod mount too because it's the same size screw. And then you mount this to, obviously you tighten this up, and then you mount this someplace, and there's your camera on the wall or whatever you want to do with it, or outside. Remember, it's not waterproof, so this is really for indoor use only. Use this to monitor your kids. There are 5 things that this thing needs, which makes sense. Well, 2 of them make sense. 2 of them make sense. Recording audio and recording video. That makes sense because your phone will turn into a DVR. It does not need access to your media files, pictures, and videos. It doesn't need access to that. It doesn't need access to your location, and it certainly doesn't need to have access to, and not access, the ability to make and answer phone calls. What? You mean it's going to make a phone call from my phone without my knowledge? That's like total crap. So I do not recommend this product if they've removed those 3 things: location, making and receiving phone calls, and access to my media files and data. Everything, not just pictures and videos, media files, anything you downloaded, anything. So you're giving them the right to look at all your stuff. Talk about an invasion of privacy. Holy shit. So I'm going to show you a couple of short videos of different levels of video. I did a smooth, I did HD 1080p, and I did standard. And here they are. This is such a disaster, this camera. But if you have the patience to use it, then more power to you. We're on a different setting now on the camera. It says smooth. No idea what the resolution is. I will be checking it out shortly. This is a review of this product. So I'm actually using the camera to record the audio and video of this. You see how it is. There are a lot of negative drawbacks of this camera. I've already showed you them. Okay, we are currently in standard mode in the software, and we're going to see how this records. No idea what the resolution is, but it should be somewhere around here on the screen, written down. So guys, I will have a link in the description below to purchase this if you do not care of those security issues. I do not recommend it. I'm not recommending it. I'm giving it a 2-star rating. I really want to give it a 1-star, but it does work. But it just has major privacy issues. So anyway guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time. By the way, don't forget to visit MafiaWarChronicles.com. Later.